muscles. Take a nice slow deep breath into your lungs and gently breathe out through your mouth. Good. Now take another deep breath through your nose and then let it flow out of your mouth. Wonderful. Now take one more deep breath and this time release all the air out of your mouth at once. Excellent. As your body continue to relax, I want you to imagine walking through a very peaceful and relaxing forest. Walking through this forest make you feel very safe and protected. Very peaceful and at ease. Notice the sound you hear in the forest. Perhaps with each step you take, what is smell are there? What do you feel? And what do you see? As you move along this path, notice that it extended way down into the forest. Further than you can even see. As you look down this path, imagine a small figure walking toward you from the other side of path. The figure moves toward you, and as it grows closer, you can make out the figure is little girl or boy. As this child gets even closer, you begin to sense of familiarity and suddenly you realize this child is you. This child is you when you were a child. she is your inner child. I want you to notice this child facial expression. Observe her postures and appearance. Does she look frightened, fearful, shy, angry, sad, lonely, or perhaps happy or content? I want you as an adult to sit down with this child and ask her how she is doing. Ask her how she is feeling. Be patient, take your time, and wait for reply. Do this now. Ask her how she is feeling. Now, ask her what she needs from you. Does she need protection? A friend? Someone to love and appreciate her? Do this now. Does she need protection? A friend? Someone to love and appreciate her? Do this now. You may want to take some time here to explain something to this child that you have learned from being an adult. Remember, we understand and see things differently when we are adult than we did as children. A parents who work all the time to support his family may love his children very much, yet from a child perspective, the parents is never around and thus does not love the child. Explain your inner child how her parents did the best they could with what they had. Give her this knowledge so that she may finally begin to heal the wounds of her past. Go ahead and do this now. Explain your inner child how her parent did the best. Give her this knowledge so that she may finally begin to heal the wounds of her past. Continue. Good. Now, I want you to promise your inner child that you will do everything within your power to give her what she needs. You will provide protection and security, love and attention. You will be the reliable and truthworthy friend she need and desire, no matter what anyone else does. From now on, you will be there for her. Tell her this and mean it. Excellent. Now, give her a great big hug and tell her you love her. Hold her close to your heart and feel the love between you. As you do this, look down upon the face of your inner child and notice the warm, loving glow for a smile pressed against her face. As you squeeze her close to you, she began to fade away, became one with you again. As this occur, feeling a warm glow being to fill your body, feel an inner peace as a wonderful healing energy being to emerge within you. This inner light fill your body, mind, and spirit with love, peace, and healing energy. Finally, imagine yourself surrounded by a beautiful white light. Feel your whole body immersed within this protective and loving energy. And then, when you are ready, take a slow deep breath and slowly open your eyes. And would you like to share our experience